So this is the demonstration for my distinction task, which was to create a alarm clock. In this, both publisher and subscriber will act as a publisher and subscriber. They'll both publish and subscribe to different topics. In this one, the subscriber will publish at the topic set alarm, for which the publisher will subscribe it, and the publisher will publish at the topic clock/alarm, for which the subscriber will subscribe it. Initially, the subscriber will publish a time to tell the publisher that we want alarm at this particular time, for which we have used import datetime from datetime. In the constructor, we have used the publisher part, which will create a publisher type string, topic clock alarm, clock/set alarm, my bad, and the queue time is 10. The time period is 1, so that it prints after 1 second. And then self timer just for the callback. B, I have created a new variable which will take the date and time, which is the time at which we want the alarm to ring. And then self I is equal to B. Self J is current time, which is used by datetime now. In the callback, we have message as a string. Message data is the time at which we want the alarm to ring in this particular format, and then the current time will also be in the particular format, so that we can equate it later on in our code. And then it will self-publish the message. If the current time is less than message data, it will keep on publishing that data just to tell us that the time has not come. I'll jump to publisher and come back to subscriber for the rest of the part. So the subscriber will publish it, and in this you can see we have used datetime again, import datetime. Initially, our publisher will act as a subscriber. It will subscribe at clock/set alarm and then send for the callback. In callback, self.j is datetime now, which is the current time. Syntax is here. If the current time is less than message data, and message data is the time at which we want the alarm to go, which we'll get from the subscriber. If it's less than that, then it will write the time has not come yet, which means the system has set the alarm at this. I got it. I know what time you want the alarm. And when the current time goes equal to message data, which means the time where we want the alarm to go off, then it will publish data and say the alarm is off. It will publish at the topic clock/alarm. So the subscriber will now subscribe to that topic clock/alarm and just go to callback and say, okay, I got it. Result, the alarm system has worked finally well. Let's see how time in my code has been changed. Now it's 2014. I set the alarm for 2015. Now I'll run my code and tell you how it goes. Ross listener and Ross talker. As you can see in the subscriber, it's subscribing. The alarm is set at the time 2015 for the day 28:30. As you can see, it's there. And in here it says the system has set the alarm for this particular time. They will print the messages until the time will come. Should not be that far, and we can see in some time. As you can see, when the alarm time comes off, which is 2015, it says the alarm is off, and this is result, the system has worked well. As you can see, our distinction task is working properly, giving no errors.